is story time. I'm going to read Basketball Tryouts Today, written by me. We're going to find out if Mark made the basketball team. If you have this book, you already know that you'll put your name inside. This book belongs to, and then you write your name. Don't pass the ball to Mark. He can't dribble the basketball. What's he doing right here? Mark, it's time to get out of bed and get ready for school. Remember to pack your sports bag. Can you find his sports bag? There it is. Mark, eat your breakfast. You have a busy day today. Yes, Mom. What's he eating for breakfast? Definitely, that's a banana. Any guesses what might be in the green bowl? Maybe cereal, maybe oatmeal, maybe cream of wheat. Good morning. Remember, son, always play your best and have fun and be a good sport. I'm dribbling out of control. I hope I don't dribble off my foot. I'm not feeling well. May I go to the nurse? But Mark, you haven't completed your homework. Look at Mark's face. Does anyone know what emotions Mark might be going through? Let's find out a little bit more in this story. Have a seat, Mark. Oh, but my tummy hurts. Any ideas what Mark might be experiencing? Let's find out. Would your tummy ache have anything to do with tryouts today? Sometimes, Mark, when we get nervous, our bodies do funny things. Do you think that's what the teacher meant? Is that what Mrs. Smith was saying when she told Mark about being nervous? Let's find out a little bit more. Oh, Mark, you'll be okay. You're just nervous. Oh, thanks, Mrs. Smith. That's what he was just a little nervous. So he had butterflies in her tummy. Just like when we experience something that is a little nerve-wracking, we get butterflies in our tummy, and that's okay. Hey, Mark, are you ready for tryouts tonight? You dribble like a girl. Wonder what they meant by that. Let's find out. Hey, Mark, would you like to practice at recess some dribbling tricks? Tricks? What does Mark look like? He looks a little confused. What would basketball tricks mean? Let's find out a little more. Yes, Charlize, check this out. Call me Magic Mark. Let's practice dribbling with your fingertips. They're like magical springs made to push the ball down to the ground and back up, giving you control. Keep your eyes up when you dribble. How many fingers do I have up? 2. So when you dribble the basketball, do we dribble like this? Or do we dribble like this? That's right. We dribble with our eyes up so you can see if I have any hands up. Just like Charlize helped Mark practice those dribbling tricks. Let's find out a little bit more. Thanks, Charlize. I feel much better now. Remember to have fun and try your best. Welcome to tryouts, and remember to always demonstrate great sportsmanship. Here comes Mark, the girl dribbler. Thanks, Jose. I learned some skills from Charlize. That was awesome. He is dribbling and practicing his skills, just like Charlize has taught him. Coach asks the team while they're sitting there anxiously waiting, well, what is sportsmanship? And Jose replies, "It's following the rules." And Cole says, "It's not bragging." Mark says, "It's being a good sport." Tashawn says, "Being a team player." And Blaine answers, "Well, respecting others." "I'm starting to dribble more like Charlize." "Wow, Mark, I can tell you've been practicing your dribbling skills." "Wow, it looks like Mark is dribbling really well compared to all his teammates." You can tell he's been really practicing his skills so he can get better. I want to congratulate Mark for giving his best effort, practicing his fundamentals, and making the Rockets basketball team. Thanks, Coach. I'm going to work hard every day so I get better. And the team puts their hands in the circle, and on the count of 3, they go 1, 2, 3, Rockets. Wow, that was great listening to the story. We're going to take our own sportsmanship pledge. For an athlete, when you're playing and practicing on a team, it's just very important to always demonstrate great sportsmanship. So let's take the pledge. Are you ready? As a Rocket Youth Sports Club member, I will always demonstrate good sportsmanship. I'm going to say it, and then you repeat after me. I will follow the rules. I will not brag. I will be a team player. I will respect others. I will be a good sport. And if you have this book, you'll sign your name taking the pledge. And then you and an adult, could be an older sibling, it could be a parent discussing. We're going to go over these questions together. I'm going to just ask you these questions. You'll answer it as best as you can. And then we'll move to the next answer. So number 1, why do you think Mark was nervous? We'll go to the next question. 2, have you ever felt nervous? 3, how did Mark become a better dribbler? 4, when you practice, do you feel yourself getting better? And how does that make you feel? 5, do you demonstrate good sportsmanship? When you have demonstrated when have you demonstrated good sportsmanship? And how did that make you feel? Good job answering all of those questions. At the end of the book, there's some activities that you can practice. Some are written down, and others you can see that are visual prompts. This one is tickling the basketball, because we learned earlier in the book that you dribble with your fingertips because they're like magical springs made to push the ball down to the ground and back up, giving you control. We have Mark practicing and showing how he goes around his waist, practicing one of his tricks, going around and around. You can practice with your eyes closed, or you can practice balancing on one foot or running with it. Just another great activity to practice your ball handling skills. Mark is showing and demonstrating. He tosses the ball up and then he catches it. And then he's going to toss the ball up and he's going to see how many times he can clap and catch it, so he can practice some of his coordination skills. And then you can see Mark, he's dribbling the basketball, and you can see it's just going up to his waist a little bit with his fingertips pushing the ball down to the ground and back up, giving him control. And he's going to challenge himself and give him goals like, maybe I'll try 18, maybe I'll try 15. And then there's more if you have the book on this side that you can practice those dribbling tricks together. Okay? Thank you for listening to my story and participating in the questions and answers. Thank you.